Hello, I'm Shelly. A lot of people thought that I don't earn so much, so I no need to pay income tax. Is this the correct way? Filing a tax and paying a tax actually are two different things. Let's check out this video. Understand your tax obligation today and save from your unnecessary tax compound and complication in the future.
Many people think that filing tax and paying tax are the same thing, but they are actually different. Filing tax means submitting information about your income, tax reliefs, deductions, and personal situation to the tax authority. Paying tax happens only after the calculation is done, when LHDN determines whether you actually owe any tax. So even if your income is not very high, you may still need to file a tax return, even if the final amount payable is zero. Who often thinks they don't need to file? Normally, this group is people who have just started working. They may earn a $2,500 or $3,000 a month. After EPF, SOXO, rent, food, transport, and daily expenses, there may not be much left. So they think, I'm already struggling with expenses. How could I possibly need to pay tax? But if you have formal employment income, your employer deducts PCB, or you meet the filing requirements, you should understand whether you need to submit a tax return. The second group is people with part-time income, side hustles, or commission income. For example, you may have a full-time job during the day, but at night you do freelance design work, sell products online, earn sales commission, receive insurance commission, or collaborate with brands on TikTok. You may think it's only a few hundred ringgit. It doesn't really matter. But from a tax perspective, salary, commissions, freelance income, business income, and side hustle income may all need to be declared. The issue is not whether you personally feel the income is a lot. The issue is whether income was earned. The third group is people who think, my company doesn't deduct PCB, so I don't need to file tax. This is common among freelancers, online sellers, small business owners, and commission-based workers. Because they do not have a fixed employer or monthly PCB deductions, they assume there is no tax responsibility. But in reality, the less someone else manages your tax matters for you, the more important it is for you to keep proper records of your income, expenses, and tax documents. For example, a female working adult named May, she earns a $2,800 a month from her full-time job. She feels that her income is average, so she has never paid much attention to tax filing. But on weekends, she helps friends write social media captions and earns around $600 extra each month. By the end of the year, her salary plus side income is more than what she considers just an ordinary income. At the same time, she may have tax reliefs such as EPF contributions, SOXO contributions, medical insurance, medical expenses for parents, lifestyle and education-related reliefs. After filing, she may discover that she does not need to pay much tax, or may even have no tax payable at all. But if she does not file anything, she loses the opportunity to maintain a proper income record, support future loan applications, and keep her tax position clear. She thinks she is saving time by ignoring tax filing, but she may actually be making her financial record more complicated in the future. Remember this: having a tax filing responsibility does not automatically mean you will have tax to pay. Earning a modest income does not mean you should ignore tax matters. Filing taxes is not only about paying money to the government. It is also about making your income official, clear, and properly documented. In the future, your tax records may be useful when applying for a housing loan, car loan, credit card, visa, or even when starting a business. Have you ever thought you earned too little to worry about tax, only to find out that you may still need to file? Tell me in the comments, what is the one thing about income tax that confuses you the most?
Okay, this is the topic that I want to share today. I hope you will like it. Thank you for watching.